Yeah,
Ma'am, they are also
This
fine.
call is now being recorded.
they are also with you only. There only in Bihar.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I am also in our hometown,
Yeah.
and also in my live in villages with my parents
Okay. So
because
what is
of
your
ma'am.
father? What's your father doing?
Ma'am, he's a private job during previous some he doing a private job, but now he is doing like a farmer because of
Farming. Farming.
yes, yes, ma'am. Because of
Oh,
his health is not good.
because of Corona.
No, ma'am. His health is not good.
Okay. His
He is
health
patient of
is
sugar.
okay. Due to his health, he is doing farming. You have your own field.
Yes, ma'am. What, ma'am?
Do you have your own field? खेत है आपका?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have a on field.
Okay, you have your own field, and your daddy your father does farming there in that field.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
I have two sisters and two brothers.
Very good. Two brothers and two sisters. Younger or elder?
One younger and other is old.
Elder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say in हिंदी ना अब बहन है भाई है फिर दूसरा दूसरा शब्द होता है लेकिन इंग्लिश में सबको brothers and sisters we say, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
बट मैम इन और हमारे तरफ भी हिंदी में भाई और बहन ही होते हैं.
भाई बहन छोटी या बड़ी तो
Yes,
ऐड
ma'am.
कर सकते हैं सेम वे इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो वी हैव टू ऐड आई हैव एन एल्डर ब्रदर और younger sister elder sisters. Okay, so that others can understand very easily. This is how the dialogue, I mean the conversation has to go on, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good
Yes,
afternoon,
Shiv
ma'am.
Shankar Kumar. Yeah, good
Good afternoon,
afternoon.
ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, Surbi Kumari. I had somebody else, Balram. Huh? Balram Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how was your week last week? How did it go on?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Only one word you will say. अगर आप मैं अभी हिंदी में पूछूं तो ऐसे बातें करके जाएंगे है ना.
एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे.
हाँ तो बातें ऐसे ही इंग्लिश में भी बातें करो कोई बात नहीं है ठीक है. गलत है तो हम करेक्ट करेंगे.
ओके
How
मैम.
was your week? What all you did last week, you can say. How was your week in the sense? What all you did last week? You had Shivratri, no? Shivratri was last week or last week only? आप लोग
Yes, ma'am.
मनाते हैं
Shivratri.
शिवरात्रि को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
They,
yes,
our class
ma'am.
will conduct, so we cannot celebrate Shivratri.
Okay, so 11th was Shivratri,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Okay, so Balram Kumar, can you tell me something special in your place? How do you celebrate Shivratri?
अब
क्या करते हैं?
मैम.
हाँ,
व्हाट मैम?
नहीं
कैन यू
शिवरात्रि
रिपीट
को
दिस?
दिन क्या करते हैं आप लोग?
या मैम. पूजा करते हैं मैम.
हाँ,
पूजा करते हैं भगवान शिव जी
पूजा
का.
करते हैं फिर बस मंदिर नहीं जाते हैं?
और फिर
डोंट गो टू टेम्पल?
हाँ हाँ, मंदिर में ही पूजा करते हैं ना.
हाँ, वो
मंदिर में ही
पूरा
पूजा
रात
करते हैं.
को, हाँ पूरा रात को पूजा होता है ना. फुल नाइट यू हैव पूजा, नो?
यस मैम.
हाँ, that is
इधर
why
तो
it's
होता
called
है.
Shivratri. हाँ, even in
यस मैम.
Tamil Nadu we have temples. All the temples will be opened, and full night we will have what do you call Abhishekam. हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं उसको?
Abhishek.
Jalaabhishek, ma'am.
जलावा.
हाँ,
Jalaabhishek.
यस मैम.
Jalabhishek. Yeah, say
Water.
all, yeah, all
In
four.
English, ma'am, how to say that Jalaabhishek? In
Huh?
English word, how to say Jalabhisek?
Abhishek.
Water flowing, another word.
Abhishek only they say, because they don't say with water. They don't do it only with water. No, they do it with all things: milk, honey, fruits, and so many other things. So generally, it is called Abhishek. That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who else wants to say how was your week? Anything special? Something happened? Can you just share it with your friends? Anybody last week?
Yes, ma'am. We are excited for Holi.
Yes, Kumari, Julie Kumari.
Ma'am, we are excited for Holi, which is in this week, in upcoming week, and we are prepared for that.
You
Ma'am,
have Holi. Holi. When
Yes,
is
ma'am,
ma'am.
Holi?
ma'am, 29th
29
March.
March.
रंग
29 March.
29th March
39
को.
का
Ma'am,
था
we are excited and we are prepared
28
for
and
this.
29 में
Okay. So you are
And
all
ma'am,
waiting to play Holi.
Yes, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Julie
Ma'am,
Kumari,
yeah,
how do you
ma'am,
play Holi? Yes,
Hello,
Shiv
ma'am.
Shankar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shiv Shankar. Yeah, Durgesh Kumar.
Yeah, ma'am. I
मैम
think some students in
तमिलनाडु
our
में
lobby
कलर
will
मिलता है
please
मैम
admit.
One second.
प्लेन कलर
One of
होली
you talk. Either Durgesh or Shiv Shankar.
Ma'am, some students
सेंटर
in lobby please accept them, ma'am.
Durgesh Kumar. Yeah, madam will accept. Madam is there.
Oh, okay,
Ma'am
ma'am.
is there. She's accepting all the invitations. Okay. Yes, Shiv
हॉस्टल
Shankar.
हॉस्टल में होली खेल सकते हैं मैम आई एम इन हॉस्टल
Huh?
आई एम इन हॉस्टल मैम कॉलेज हॉस्टल
College hostel. You
होली
are in the hostel.
यस मैम
Okay,
वी
but
वांट
there
टू
are
प्ले
friends.
वी वांट टू प्ले होली
Okay, but do you have friends there
सो
in
मेनी
college hostel? Some students might be
या
there, no?
या मैम
Then you can play with
या
them,
मैम
no? Safe Holi you can play after the college hours.
Who is in college hostel? Shiv Shankar.
Shiv Shankar, ma'am.
यस मैम
Shiv Shankar, are you staying in our university hostel?
यस मैम
Huh?
यस मैम
Oh, okay.
Okay. Surbi Kumari, how was your
Yes,
week?
ma'am.
How was your week? What special
In this
happened?
week, I'm very. In this week, I'm very feel bad, ma'am, because my elder sister not with me.
Your elder
I'm
sister?
alone here in my
Okay,
home.
you are alone at home. Where is your elder sister?
My elder sister in Chennai, ma'am. So nowadays I'm alone. So at home, so I'm not feeling good.
Okay, but you are in Bihar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your sister is in Chennai.
Yes, ma'am. She
What is
study in Anna University, ma'am.
Oh, she's studying in Anna University. Very good. What is she doing?
See, BTech, ma'am. Third year BTech.
Oh, she's also a third year BTech. She's in the college hostel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you're feeling bored.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then why don't you also come and join the college hostel? You can meet your sister at least weekends, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Anyway, college 5 days all fully you will be engaged, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you were feeling bored because your sister was not there. Okay, fine. Children, have you heard about prepositions?
What, ma'am?
Prepositions. We use
Not
no
understand your word, ma'am.
preposition.
Preposition. Preposition.
Yes, preposition.
Yes, ma'am. I know about preposition.
Yes, can you tell me, Surabhi, what is preposition?
At, in,
Okay.
Word used for
on.
noun, ma'am.
It's a link. Okay. The prepositions are the link used to connect a noun and other word. Okay,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
there are types of prepositions. One type of preposition, we ask question when. When does it happen? So we use preposition there. The second type of preposition is where. Then the third type of preposition is in which direction. Okay. So there are types of preposition: in, on, at, under, above, below, in front of, behind. All these are, see, to connect one noun and another word, we have to use the correct preposition. Okay. For example, many a times we will be showing one cat and one under the chair, it will be sitting. Where is the cat? The cat is sitting under the table.
Chair.
Normally, when we learn the prepositions, first we will be learning in the box, outside the box, under the table, on the table. All these we will be learning. So there are three types of preposition. One is when. When does it happen? For example, my vacation ends on Friday. So Monday I have to join the duty. So when does my vacation end? Monday. So I am connecting vacation is one noun. When Monday is another word. So I am linking both the words on. My vacation ends on Monday. Okay. Where are you staying? I'm staying in the hostel. Isn't it? Where do you keep your laptop?
I keep my laptop in the table.
On
the
the
table.
table.
On the
the
table.
Okay. We say on the table because we keep it on the table. Okay. Then this another one. What I say is in which direction. The direction also we have to use preposition for the direction also. For example, we went to Delhi last week. We went to Delhi last week. So in, on, at, before, after, under, above, to, into, of, from, all these are to in which direction. But generally we use a preposition for connecting a noun and another word. That's a link word. Okay. Right. Now last week we were just correcting some sentences, no? Using tenses, verbs. This week also we are going to change some. How do you speak? For example, sometimes we speak some sentences. We know most of the time we have been using these sentences, but it is wrong. Sometimes we don't unknowingly we use the sentences, right? For example, it was a blunder mistake. The sentence is, it was a blunder mistake. Is it correct? Ramanand Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
It was a blunder mistake. Is my sentence correct?
Blunder. It was a blunder.
Whatever
Yes,
you
correct.
think, you tell. No problem.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
This sentence.
Wait, Manish.
Repeat this sentence, ma'am.
It was a blunder mistake.
It is right, ma'am.
Yes?
I think it is right.
It is right. Okay, fine. Let's find out from your friend. Somebody, Manish, you said it is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the wrong? What is the mistake?
Ma'am, here blunder, we use the blunder word. That is not suitable here, ma'am.
No, it's not. Both has the same meaning. Blunder is also means a mistake. Mistake is also means a mistake.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
cannot use it was a blunder mistake. Ramanand, we have to use it was a blunder. That's all. No mistake should be added. Or it was a mistake. Okay? Because both the words means the same. For example, no. What some more example we say is
He was
I
very good.
pardon.
He was a very best boy. Very is not used here.
She was very.
Best boy.
He was very best boy. He was the best boy. You will say. You will not use very. Okay. So now you understood. Very good. So two same meaning, same words, we cannot use it in the same sentence. So another one is, it would have been more better. Who's going to answer? Wait, Ramanan. Let me ask. Sumitraj. Sumitraj, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
It would have been more better. Is my sentence correct? Sometimes,
No,
you
ma'am.
submit your assignment, or you do something, you show it to your friends' assignments. They say it would have been more better.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Correct,
It,
Sumit?
yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay. Durgesh,
Yes, ma'am.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It would have been more better. Is the sentence correct?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait, Manish. Manish, please wait. Durgesh,
Yes, ma'am. Repeat this again.
it would have been more better.
It have done, क्या ma'am?
It would have been more better. Some assignment you are showing to your friend. Your friend is telling you it would have been more better. Is the sentence correct? सही है वो sentence. Durgesh,
Yes, ma'am.
is the sentence correct? वो सही है sentence. It would have been more better.
Sorry, ma'am.
सही या गलत बोलो. We will discuss. Is it correct or not? We will discuss. Okay, Zoha.
Ma'am, wrong word. Because
Okay.
more is comparative. More is comparative word. But good, best, good, better, best. Second, better is comparative already. So
Okay.
more is not used.
So what do you use? How do you use?
Only better, not in
It
the
would have
word of
been
better.
better.
Already not use more must. Etc. Because good, better, best. Better is already comparative.
Okay. Actually, you are a little closer, but Nuruz, we actually when we compare only we use the word good, better, best. But if I say it would have been better, my sentence is not as I expected. Okay, I'm
It can be
expecting
better.
you to. You are writing an assignment, for example, you are submitting assignment for me. It would have been much better. Okay. If I use that word, if it would have been much better, that would be apt. वो सही होगा. समझ में आ गया? Zoha,
Ma'am.
your answer was correct.
Repeat, ma'am. Ma'am.
1 second. Please, just 2 minutes. Give me time. My battery is running out. I'll just connect it to the battery. I'm sorry. I had some
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
I had some issues. Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, I
So,
have a question.
pardon? Yes, Manish?
Yes.
Question I have, ma'am.
Question you have. What? Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, if in this sentence I can we can add some word like then me comparison word that then after the sentence is correct or not
Yes,
like
it
that
would have been
more better than me, more better than you. Then
correct.
that is okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Manish, you are correct. It would have been better than mine, my presentation, or it would have been better than my assignment. So your sentence is complete. Instead of using more better, or supposing you are expecting something from your friend, right? Some assignment you have asked him to write and he has written it. So when after reading it, you can tell him the command, it would have been much better. So he can understand, okay, he is capable of doing it. It is not up to the mark. So Manish, you can tell that also it would have been better than my presentation, or you can just say it would have been much better. Okay? Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now next sentence is for who is not answering at all. Guddu Kumar. Yes. Can I have you,
मैम
Guddu Kumar?
मैम आपको मेरा आवाज सुनाई दिया, इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे ट्रांसलेट करेंगे?
I have heard your voice.
I
heard your voice also you can say. मतलब मैंने सुन लिया. वही है ना? आपको बोलना है.
जी जी.
I heard your voice. Okay, fine. And now अभी आप ये sentence सुन लो. Why don't he get married? Why don't he get married? Is it correct, Guddu Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Why don't he get married?
Why don't he get married?
Yes.
He get married.
सही या गलत sentence?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Zahid Alam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why don't he get married?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. I think the first class did you attend? The very first session when I spoke to you, I told you don't where we use, doesn't where we use. Right? Does, don't. Two things, do and does. Okay. Do we use for plural? Except for I, you, we, they, for all these things you will use do. He, she, it, all singular, we will use only does. So what should we use here?
Does, ma'am.
Yes, Guddu Kumar. Yes, Guddu Kumar. Why
Yes,
don't he get married? He is singular or plural?
He
singular या plural?
singular,
Yes?
singular, ma'am.
Singular, ma'am.
Singular.
तो वो don't के बदले में क्या यूज करना है?
Does not.
Doesn't. Okay, why doesn't
Does
he
not,
get
ma'am.
married? That's simple. ये simple rules हम याद रखेंगे तो when we are speaking English, no, it becomes correct English. When we are not bothered about all these things, only we make mistakes in speaking. Understood?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
How to use verb 3 in sentence?
Ramanan, yes.
How to use in sentence verb 3? Married.
Married. Why doesn't he get married? Does
V1 verb 1 का यूज क्यों नहीं किए? V3 का यूज किए?
क्या है? समझ में नहीं आई आपका क्वेश्चन. दोबारा पूछो.
मैरिज का verb 1 यूज नहीं किए, verb 3 यूज किए.
नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आपका।
मैम ये
मनीष
बोल रहा है,
मनीष
यस मैम,
हाँ
बोल रहा है
I
कि
ask,
जो है ना मैरिड, तो आप
हाँ
मैरिड क्यों यूज की, मैरी नहीं यूज की? मैरी भर्ब वन, भर्ब का
Why
थ्री
used
फॉर्म है,
to?
भर्ब वन प्रेजेंट पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर, you used
yes okay
that format in future. Why are
yeah
you using in future? His
okay
answer is, why are you using future verb?
married.
Yes ma'am.
Why doesn't he get married only is the correct verb we can use there. Why don't you get married? Okay, when I ask you, why don't you get married, then I don't use married. If I'm asking about the third person, he, why doesn't he get married? Ramanand, I think you understood. If I'm asking you directly, you, why don't you get married?
मैम
Okay,
मतलब इस सेंटेंस में
yeah.
आपने वर्ब 3 का यूज किया, क्या हम V1 का यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं?
मैरी नहीं कर सकते हैं, मैरिड ही बोलना है, वो सही है. Why doesn't he get married?
ओके मैम.
Okay, if I'm asking first person directly, I can ask you, why don't you get married? Okay,
ओके मैम.
yeah.
मैम
Okay, next sentence. Yes.
मैम यहाँ here why we can use get, why are you not
Get.
directly marry? Why that is sentence, why according to me sentence is, why does not he marry? Why
If you
we
use get, you have to use married.
okay ma'am.
Okay, doesn't get married. Why doesn't he marry? If I don't use get, I can use marry.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, yeah, fine. Next sentence. Who's not answered? Zahid Ahmed.
Yeah, ma'am.
I want to hear from you. I want 2 Xeroxes of this paper. Normally we go, no? We take, when we write assignment or submit some applications, we take Xerox. Submit the 2 Xerox copy of this application. That is what we normally say, no? Normally in our, wherever we submit, you know, we submit 2 Xerox copy of this application to be submitted. Right. So
Yeah,
my sentence is, I want 2 Xeroxes of this paper.
Can you give me the 2 Xerox copy of the paper?
I want 2 Xerox copy of this paper.
Ma'am, it's a question or is, I want to deliver the answer, ma'am.
No, you have to give me the answer whether my sentence is correct or wrong, and where it is
Can
wrong.
you repeat it, ma'am? Can you repeat it, ma'am?
I want 2 Xeroxes of this paper.
I need.
Yes,
Yeah, I need, ma'am. I need.
I need
I
2
need 2
Xeroxes.
Xerox.
Okay, I need 2 Xeroxes of this paper. Okay, just
Yeah.
please listen. Okay. Others, the other day, one Mintu. Where is he? Mintu is not there. Archana Kumari. Archana Kumari is there. Yeah, Archana. Can you tell me this sentence is correct or not? Why? Sorry, I want 2 Xeroxes of this paper. The other boy, he said, I'm sorry, I forgot his name. He said, Ahmed, I think. I need 2 Xeroxes of this paper, he said. So which is correct?
No, ma'am.
It is wrong?
Yes.
Okay, where is the mistake? Yes. Come on. No problem. Even if it is wrong, nobody is going to question you why it is wrong. It's a platform where we have to speak.
I think, ma'am, I need 2 Xerox copy of this paper, ma'am.
Okay, that's what I want 2 Xeroxes of this paper. So you are telling I need 2 Xerox copy of this paper. Okay, Archana.
Yes, ma'am.
That is correct. Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I?
Manish.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Manish.
Ma'am, your sentence is not correct because of Xeroxes is not used because of Xerox is already plural. So you can we also use Xerox, only Xerox.
I want to Xerox.
I want to two copy of Xerox.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. Ramanand. Yes.
Correct sentence. I
Ah.
want two Xerox of this Xerox copy of this paper.
Okay. Xerox copy of this paper. Okay. Fine. Anybody else? Gudda Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I want two Xerox copy in this paper, ma'am.
Okay.
Of
Okay.
this
Fine.
paper.
Okay. Now, all of you made a small, simple mistake. Xerox is not the word to be used here because Xerox is a company's name which produces the machine to be photocopied. Okay. Normally, any company, any office you go, they will ask you submit with two Xerox copy of this. Okay. So Xerox word we are not supposed to use because Xerox is the name of a company which produces the multiples of our assignment or any paper what we want. Photocopy. It takes the photocopy of your mark sheet. For example, you want to submit your mark sheet in duplicate. Two copies you have to submit. So you have to say, I want two photocopies of this certificate. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Normally we
Yeah,
use.
ma'am.
No, most of the places when we go, no, they will say दो Xerox copy के साथ submit करना. वही बातें करते हैं. Xerox is not a word. Xerox is a company's name, which
Ma'am?
makes a machine to make the photocopy. So you have to ask, I want two photocopies of this paper. Yes, Ramanand.
Ma'am, we can use I want two photocopy of this paper.
Yes, you have to use very good. I want to have two photocopies of this paper or submit in with two photocopies of your certificate.
मेरा
Okay?
मतलब करना मतलब एक ठो जो रूल लगता है जब दो वर्ब हो इसमें दो वर्ब नहीं है
ना वो फोटोकॉपी कहते हैं ना फोटोकॉपीज नहीं कहते टू फोटोकॉपी ऑफ दिस पेपर
दो वर्ब इसमें यूज नहीं हुआ है इस सेंटेंस में
two we can say because you have to give in number no how many photocopy you want so two photocopies you want then you can say the number okay fine now the next was not where Mintu is not there today very sweet boy he's not there okay Shankar Kumar Shiv Shankar Kumar Sweetie.
Yes, ma'am.
Shankar Kumar is there. Shiv Shankar Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Your hairs are looking silky. Your hairs are looking silky. Is my sentence correct?
I don't know.
Your hairs are looking sweet. Silky. Sorry. Shiv Shankar, can you repeat the sentence?
Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Yes, can you repeat the sentence?
Yes, ma'am. Repeat, ma'am.
Repeat. Shiv Shankar has to repeat. Shiv Shankar.
Ask another woman, please.
No, you repeat the sentence. Your hairs are looking silky.
You are looking silky.
Okay, now where is the mistake? Okay, some words are having the same plural. Okay. hair only. There is no hairs. So your hair are looking silky, or your hair are looking curly, right? Hair is a noun. Some nouns have the same plural. We don't add yes to it. Normally for plurals we add yes or es or change into ies. But here hair only. Can you give me any other example where the same plural is repeated?
Sip.
Huh?
Teeth, ma'am, teeth.
Sip. Sip.
Ship. Okay, Surabhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Surabhi?
Our teeth, ma'am. Always
Teeth.
plural.
No, that is tooth and teeth, no? Double O. When there is double O, tooth, it will change to double E. So teeth, tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. It changes. Some nouns don't change their, they don't change. They remain the same. Find out. Next week you will tell me. This is your a small homework. You will find out the nouns which remains the same in the plural also. मतलब hair होता है ना, ऐसे कोई nouns ऐसे ही रहता है. तो वो word को आप you will find out and tell me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So next week you can tell me. Now, can we move on to us next?
Can I say that some words, ma'am?
Yes, Manish.
Rice.
Rice. Okay, very
Children.
good. Fine.
And
Rice
also
only.
weight, rice.
Mathematics is
Like home use in our daily life. That is also plural, ma'am.
That is plural only. Rice only. Rice. कितने भी राइस होता है वो राइस ही होता है, राइसेस नहीं होता है ना?
Potato, ma'am.
Right. Okay. Others, let them find out and tell me next week. Okay. Now we are going to have a bit of conversation between you. Are you ready for that?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. I am
Yes,
ready.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We are ready.
Now Manish and Sumit Raj will have the conversation. Just 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, Sumit. Are you hearing me?
How
are you, brother? Me?
Hello.
Sumit, are you hearing me?
You have to wait for some time. After Manish speaks, Sumit wait for some time and then give the reply.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm ready to
Yeah.
conversation with Manish.
Wait, man, Balram.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Manish, you can start with Sumit.
How are you, Sumit?
I am fine, and you?
Also, I am fine, bro. And today your class lecture. Have you any class lecture doing today?
Yeah, I have completed my lecture, and you?
Also completed, bro. Because of we have today. I have 4 lectures. First is like math. Second, then like subjected different types of subject math, triple English, and then after also math. And you also, how is your family members?
Yeah, in my family there are 6 members. My father, mother, and 2 brothers and 2 sisters. And
Okay.
yours?
Yeah, Sumit and Manish, a small correction. You started with hello, Sumit, how are you? And Sumit replied, I'm fine. You have to tell thank you and how are you. Okay, Sumit? That is a good gesture. Whoever is asking, first you will say thank you and then you will continue. And so Manish was asking class lectures doing. Right, Manish?
Yes, ma'am.
How was your class lecture doing? Something you asked like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You will ask instead, did you have any class lectures today? How was the lecture? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Other than that, it's okay. A little bit of improvement you can do. It's always welcome. Okay. Avinash Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Avinash Aryan
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Ramanand Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ramanand and Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Aryan. How are you?
Fine. And you?
I am
Fine.
fine.
Thank you. How are you?
How are you?
Yes.
I am good. And you?
I am also fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Next day, what are you doing?
What?
One second. Avinash, you
Once
asked
again,
next day.
repeat your sentence.
Next day, what are you doing? Okay. So you
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to ask कल क्या कर रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow, what is your plan? Okay.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
You will ask, what's your plan for tomorrow?
My plan for tomorrow. First, I work in my field. To सिंचाई का हिंदी क्या होता है मैम?
Pardon?
सिंचाई का पानी, सिंचाई का
क्या पानी?
मतलब खेत में पानी सिंचाई करना है उसका.
So you will water the field.
Water the field.
I will water the field. So Ramanand.
Water the field या water in field, ma'am?
Water the field.
Water the field.
Yeah, I will water the field. Ramanand, tomorrow के लिए, कल के लिए तो बातें करते हैं, तो you will use I will. Tomorrow I will go to the field. Okay. I will go to the field. I will work in the field. Then I will water the field. Okay.
My tomorrow plan first.
One second, Ramanand. You will say my plan for tomorrow is, okay? Because आपका प्लान तो प्लान ही होता है, कल के लिए तो क्या होगा पता नहीं है. तो my plan for tomorrow is I will go to the field and I will work there. I will. You will add will. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, now you talk. Sorry for disturbance. ठीक है, अभी बातें करो.
My plan for tomorrow is first when I get up, first I will go field for exercise and running and many type of exercise.
Okay.
Because I am interested in martial arts.
Oh, fine, super.
Then I will come to home. Then I work in my field. I will work in my field.
Very good.
Then I will ready for class.
I will be ready for the class.
For the class.
I will be ready for the class. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now you want to ask something to Avinash.
What are you doing nowadays?
Okay, fine. What are you doing nowadays? Correct.
Yes. I am doing currently attending the spoken English class.
Okay. Nowadays, I attend the spoken English
What are
class.
you doing nowadays?
So you need not tell only today's. Now what are you doing? Nowadays, I'm just attending online class. Avinash, you can say this. Nowadays, I am attending online classes, which is going on from the university. And apart from that, I am attending the spoken English class also. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
nowadays का मतलब तो आज के दिन क्या कर रहे हैं? आज के दिन
Yes.
तो आप ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रहा है, असाइनमेंट्स लिखना है आपको, तो पढ़ाई
Yes.
करना है, तो वो सब होता है. ठीक है? Okay,
Yes.
fine. Thank you. Good, Ramanand and Avinash. Now,
Thank
Balram
you.
Kumar and Guddu Kumar.
Hello, Balram. How are you?
Hello, bro. I'm fine, thank you. And what are you doing?
I
Yeah, tell,
attend
bro.
a spoken.
I am
a spoken
attending.
class, bro.
Guddu,
I am attending.
I am
Yes, ma'am.
attending.
Okay.
I am attending because अभी हो रहा है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Present
I am.
continuous.
What is
No.
your goal, bro?
I am attending English class. Yes, Balram.
I am attending English
What?
class, bro.
What is your goal, bro?
My goal is UPSC, bro.
Very good. My goal
Oh.
is UPSC. See, 1 second. Balram, you asked your question was correct. What is your goal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Guddu Kumar, you will say, my goal is to clear UPSC exam, or my goal is to write UPSC exam. My goal is UPSC, you will not say. Okay? वो तो अधूरा होता है सेंटेंस. मुझे यूपीएससी करना है बोलेगा ना, आप हिंदी में बोलना है तो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो I will do UPSC or I will clear UPSC exam or I will write UPSC exam. That is my goal. Okay? ठीक है. Now, Guddu Kumar, you can ask Balram.
I will clear UPSC exam, bro.
Very
Clear,
good.
ma'am.
I will clear UPSC exam. What do you want to become, Guddu Kumar?
Best of luck.
Yes, bro. In
Guddu Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want to become? IAS or IPS?
IAS officer, ma'am.
IAS officer. Very good. All the best.
What is
Yes. Okay. Balram, what is your future plan, Balram?
Yes, ma'am. My future plan. Our country is our country in
Yes.
Balram.
आप हिंदी में बोलो, मैं मदद करूंगी.
incoming
After
future our country
ना आप हिंदी में बोलो, मैं मदद करूंगी
after
आपको.
time मैं इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि
क्या करना है?
बोल रहे हैं कि मैं इंजीनियर कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि आने वाले समय में अपना देश को बहुत अच्छा विकासशील बनाने के लिए.
आप कौन सा कोर्स लिया? आपका मेजर क्या है? सिविल. वेरी गुड. तो सिविल में आप बहुत अच्छा कुछ करना चाहते हो
ये देश के लिए.
फ्यूचर में.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
In our country, ma'am.
Yeah, in our country, yes. In future, I want to do something, create something in my field. So your field is civil. ठीक है? तो इंडिया के लिए कुछ बनाना चाहते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to.
Yes,
in future, I want to create something in civil. After I complete my civil engineering. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now,
after this time,
yeah, tell, bro.
After this time, what you doing?
So, Guddu Kumar, आपका मतलब?
Speak with you.
What do you want to do after this? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. What
you do with you, bro?
So you will ask him what will you do after the class? Okay?
Okay, ma'am. What?
Yes, Balram.
Yes, ma'am. I cannot understand this matter. What what meaning
What?
of
No, no.
there's
इस क्लास के बाद में क्या करना चाहते हो? क्या करेंगे आप? खेलेंगे या बाहर जाएंगे, चाय
no
पिएंगे?
I have no time because in the class very homework
Oh,
many homework
okay.
so I'm study for our class
Okay. So after the class, you will study for
so
your
that's why.
next week assignment or whatever it is. Okay, fine. Thank you, Guddu and Balram Kumar.
Assignment is
Yes.
assignment is already clear but coming to exam so
You have to study.
prepare in our exam. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to prepare for the exam. Very good. Now Sonam
Yes,
Kumari
ma'am.
and Surbi Kumari.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, Guddu Kumar and Balram Kumar.
Thank you,
Sonam
ma'am.
Kumari and Surbi Kumari.
Hello, Surbi. How are you?
Surbi is not.
Yeah.
She is not on her mic. Okay, I can talk to you. Sonam, you can talk to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you, beta?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you. How? And ma'am,
Yeah.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you. So
Ma'am?
last week I had some interesting things. Actually, on Shivratri, no,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
went to the temple. Normally,
Yes.
I don't sit the whole night. This Shivratri, I could sit for the whole night. So I was awake and I enjoyed my puja at home also. And my sons had come to Chennai. Actually, one son is in Bangalore, one
Yes,
is
ma'am.
in Chennai. So we all had gone to beach. We went to the beach last week. We enjoyed there. So
Then, ma'am.
this was
Then,
this.
ma'am, you
Yes,
fun a lot.
yeah, I had a lot of fun, Sonam. After a long time, because after this Corona period, we never went out. I
Yeah,
was
ma'am. But,
feeling
ma'am,
bored.
I just always waiting for your class, ma'am.
Okay, Sonam. So what did you do last week?
What did, ma'am? Nothing. But, ma'am, this week got a little less assignment. That's why I'm happy. And I always
Okay.
slept too much.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
this week I found out about my model exam. That's why I'm worried
Oh,
about model exam.
okay. So next week you are having your model exam.
And ma'am, this week I had I had a seminar and group activity. I make
Okay,
a
fine.
video with my group. Enjoyed very much.
Okay, you enjoyed. See, now we are at least having little bit of confidence to put your thoughts.
What, ma'am?
No, in the seminar you have to talk, no? सेमिनार का
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
आप बोलना है तो थोड़ा से पावर पॉइंट करेंगे तो उनके साथ आप
Yes,
बातें भी
ma'am.
करना है तो एटलीस्ट नाउ
Yes,
यू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ टॉकिंग
yes, ma'am.
a little bit improved, you are confident.
Confident, ma'am.
Yes, so you
And
can
also you give me a coding, ma'am.
you can pat yourself, you can have a pat on your back so that you are doing it well. Okay, fine, you can do little more better than this. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
a little bit of that I mean frighten is there in your when you are talking, no, some people you are little frightened whether my sentence is correct or not, how the others will take it, whether they will laugh at the sentence. Don't fear about all those things, just talk. Even if it is
Oh,
wrong, just talk. And this is a platform where we can share, where we can correct each other. Okay, so you can talk. Fine. uh, Sumit Raj.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Sonam. Sumit Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. Thank you. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you. So, how is your preparation going on for model exam?
Yes,
Up,
ma'am. My preparation is very good for the model exam.
yeah, I'm preparing good for the model exam. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm preparing good for the model exam. I'm okay. In which subject do you like more? In your
Ma'am,
subjects? Yes.
I like chemistry class.
Chemistry. Wow. सुपर. केमिस्ट्री तो बहुत डर लगता है ना, वो इक्वेशन वगैरह देखने से बहुत डर लगता है.
भाई बहुत बढ़िया सब्जेक्ट
I
चुना
agree
है.
with you, ma'am. I also
Yes.
feared chemistry.
You also have a fear for chemistry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but no need to fear, because everything, when you learn, start loving the subject, that subject becomes easy, है ना? अभी
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
इंग्लिश आपको इतना आसान हो गया. Within 3 classes you are talking so fluently, so beautifully. Very good. I really like the way you present yourself. Okay. Even I love maths and physics. I'm physics
I
fan.
also, ma'am.
Yeah, I love maths
My,
and physics.
my favorite subject is also math.
You got 100% in maths.
No, ma'am, 80%.
80%. Very good. Okay, fine.
I got,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
I
Yes.
got
You
physics,
also.
chemistry, math, and BEE 100 into 100.
Manish. Yes.
I already got physics, math, chemistry, BEE 100 by 100 by ma'am.
Assignment.
Assignment and CAT 2 exam already also, ma'am. CAT 2 exam that exam will be also in 50 marks, and that back day we have a online exam like on Google. There are 40 questions. I also
Okay.
solved that by 40 I am getting.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Do well. Communicate well. Okay. Whenever you are talking, talk in English only. That fear should go away from you. Then only that fluency
I am
will.
very happy, ma'am. I
Yes,
am very
Manish.
happy because I am very happy because of ma'am. When I am joining the college, that time my English speaking is very bad. I cannot
Okay.
understand anything. Then after I have now I am some words to speak and ask, and every words to understand. So thankful to colleges and their all staff members for this opportunity.
Very good. See, that is how, this is purely madam's initiation actually. She wanted you people to talk English and understand in a better way. So you must thank madam only for arranging all these classes, I'm doing that is different, but madam's initiation is more important. She has taken the initiation for you people to talk. So I find very happy. I'm very happy that you people are conversing in English now. Very first time you were very feared. You are having that fear in your mind whether my English will be correct or not. Now you are able to communicate. See, what is language? लैंग्वेज का मतलब कम्युनिकेट करना है, हम दूसरों लोगों को समझ में आना है. जो आप हम कहते हैं तो ओपोनेंट को अंडरस्टैंड होना है. So that is the communication. So you people are doing it well. Very good. Okay, fine. Have a nice weekend, children. Can we say bye now?
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice time. Anything ma'am wants to say, she will convey to you.
Ma'am, that time in my side not a
Yes,
proper network,
Rohit.
ma'am. So that's why I'm not responding you. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. No problem. Surbi, next week you will talk to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, Durgesh.
Waiting
Bye.
for that moment, ma'am, because
Yeah. Okay. Thank you and have a nice weekend. Prepare for your model exam. Okay.
Attendance.
okay, thank you, ma'am.
Attendance, madam will send. Madam will send. Yes. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you and have a nice weekend.
Ma'am,
All of you.
ma'am, hello, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
actually,
Guddu Kumar.
Rohit है जो
Yes, Rohit.
Ma'am, Rohit is want to say something, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Kidding me?
Ma'am, kidding me?
हेलो मैम